Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make bubble letters. First, let's grab a pencil and paper. We'll start by drawing simple block letters, leaving a bit of space between each one. Think of these as the skeletons for your bubbly creations. Don't worry about perfection right now. We're just getting the basic shapes down. This initial step is crucial for building a solid foundation for your fun, rounded letters. Now let's transform those block letters. Gently draw a rounded outline around the outside of each letter. Imagine you're inflating them like balloons. Make sure all your corners are soft and curved, avoiding any sharp angles. Once you've outlined each part, connect the lines to create one continuous, bubbly shape. This step really brings the bubble to your letters. With your bubble outlines complete, it's time to erase those initial block letter guidelines. Now, for some extra pop, add a second, slightly smaller outline inside your bubble letters. This creates a fantastic three-dimensional effect, making them look like they are truly inflated. You can also experiment with shadows on one side and highlights on the other to give your letters even more depth and personality. Finally, it's time to bring your bubble letters to life with color. Use markers, colored pencils, or crayons to fill them in with vibrant hues. Don't be afraid to experiment with different color combinations and patterns. Practice makes perfect, so keep trying various styles and sizes to expand your bubble letter repertoire. Remember to check the description below for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals to help you stay comfortable while you create.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.